Hello everyone, welcome back to another Peplink unboxing video. Today we have our hands on the Balance 20X LTEA. That's the BPL-021X-LTEA-US-T-PRM. Let's open her up. The first thing you're going to see is a setup guide. This is nice for quick and easy basic setup, so we'll set that aside. And then right under that, this is the actual Balance 20X. I like to pull up from this side, just plug on that. Here we go. We're going to set this aside for a moment. All right, once you look in, we see these two compartments. The compartment on your left, this is going to be all your antennas. Here we go. So we have all our antennas here. First thing I'm pulling out, these are the SMA LTE antennas. And these are the Wi-Fi antennas. As you look at it, you can see that a quick distinction between the two is the LTE antennas will be much smaller than the Wi-Fi. And then finally, we have our 16-foot cable GPS antenna. Set that right there too. All right, close that and pull up this side. It has a 2-volt, 3-amp power supply, which is a simple normal plug. And it looks like wire management with branded Peplink Velcro. Perfect. Let me clean this up. Let's get right to the router. It's very nice, sleek. It's pretty lightweight. You have these two mounting brackets here, so you can mount on the wall. But it's only 10.3 inches in length and at a height of 1.3 inches. So it's actually very slim. The router supports 900 megabits per second of stateful throughput and up to 100 megabits per second of unencrypted SpeedFusion throughput. The router's new, more capable Cat7 cellular modem with a redundant SIM slot allows for 300 megabits per second download and 150 megabits per second upload, while having the benefits of SpeedFusion like hot failover, WAN smoothing, and bandwidth bonding. Additionally, the Balance 20X has built-in Wi-Fi 5, meaning it transmits 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi bands. The Balance 20X operates in temperatures as low as 14 degrees Fahrenheit and as high as 113 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing this device to be used in multiple environments. The Balance 20Xs are amazing for branch connectivity or SOHO applications like working from home. You can take the 20X, connect it to your cable modem, and use a cellular backup for WAN smoothing or failover to increase reliability of business applications like voice and video. It's also incredibly cost-effective branch router for retail operations with cellular backup, allowing point-of-sale applications to seamlessly continue even in the event of internet outage. In-control management makes deployment easy with zero-touch configuration, firewall policies, traffic shaping policies, and SIM card management. Moving to the rear interface, it has a single 1 gigabit WAN port and 4 1 gigabit LAN ports. On both ends are your Wi-Fi ports. To the left, we have our power port, and in the middle is the GPS port. And to the left of that is the Flexmodule slot. This mini slot allows for multiple WAN upgrades, including DSL module, an additional LTEA cellular module, or a 5G cellular module, all of which can be bonded together to maximize throughput through SpeedFusion Cloud. All right, let's move to the front of this. On both ends are the cellular antenna ports. These are built for the Category 7 modem. On the left, this little pinhole here is the reset. Right to the right of that, these are the status lights. And then all the way to the right here is your USB WAN port. This allows for more versatility and cellular expansion with Max Adapter 5 or other USB modems. Let's put this together. I suggest starting with the GPS, and it's 16 feet, so it does allow for it to go towards a window or something like that to get better signal. And then since we're on the back, make sure we're looking for the Wi-Fi. So the Wi-Fi are the larger, that's where I start next. We just put these on like this. And keep in mind that these are hand tight. You do not need any tools or pliers to put these on. And once you screw it on, if you notice this is a little off, it still has an articulation, so you can rotate this, not twisting this, so you can pull that up. All right, let's do the next Wi-Fi. And now moving to the SMA LTE antennas. It's that simple. And now all you have left to do is put the power. Once it's plugged in, the status light should be solid green if the router is fully booted, and the cellular light should be solid green if it is connected to the cellular network. If the cellular light is off, the modem isn't initialized or the device isn't connecting to the SIM card. If the cellular light is flashing, then the modem detected the SIM card and the router is trying to connect to the carrier. Once the status is solid green, the router can be accessed locally by going to HTTPS 192.168.50.1, or if their router is online with SIM cards, you can add the serial number to the InControl 2 for remote management and configuration. The Peplink Balance 20X offers incredible versatility, 5G expandability, and provides amazing benefits of speed fusion. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video.